Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram Reels and videos. So it's pretty easy. Let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram app and open up the reel which you want to download. So here I'm selecting the first one. You just have to tap on the share icon, which is aeroplane icon. So after tapping on it, you guys can see lots of options, but don't worry about it. You just have to tap on copy link, which is second option. So after tapping on copy link, now you guys have to go to any of the browsers. So after opening your browser, you just have to search for Instagram video downloader. So after tapping on it, you guys can see the first option in the first website. You guys can be able to see Snap Insta. You just have to tap on it. Here you have to just paste the link. Just hold and tap on paste and tap on download. So within a minute, it will redirect you to download page. Here you have to just tap on download video. And here you have to just close the ad. And you guys can be able to see our download has been started. And you guys can be able to see downloaded video which we have downloaded from Instagram. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.